Well, good morning everyone. We're down at Fremont Park. I came down here yesterday and I don't know if you can see that, but I taped the GoPro to the handlebars of my mountain bike. Unfortunately, all the filming I did had this terrible road noise because there was no cushioning in between the camera and the ground. What I might end up doing is splicing part of yesterday's video with this one, but I just thought I'd come down and just show you. It's pretty dry down here, eh? Just show you a bit of a ride around the park here. There's different trails. There's dirt trails and tarred. Normally most of them are a couple of kilometres long. Sometimes the grandkids and myself come down on our bikes and do a few laps. But oh yeah, I wanted to give a shout out to one of our subscribers. She came over just before Christmas Day and gave us a present, and it was really nice. She won't mind me mentioning her name, Jenny. She's a wonderful lady. She's an artist and she subscribes to our channel, and she brought me over a XW GT Bathurst model car as I collect them, and it's absolutely awesome. It was so nice of her. Good morning. Yeah, she said it wasn't valued very much, but you know, geez, I know my model cars, it's a couple $100 worth, although I have seen them on special on eBay for 160. But anyway, big shout out to you, Jenny. Thank you very much. You've been a really wonderful friend to both of us. Anyway, back onto the loop. I'll just keep going around here. We're going to be going down Cobble Creek sometime soon, and we'll take the mountain bike down there, and I'd like to check the water levels. Hope the wind doesn't make too much noise on the GoPro here. A lot more people here today than yesterday. Yesterday there was no one here. A lot of people out walking their dogs. Thank you. Young love. Just snip over this way, that way. There's a lot of rubbish down there. There's rubbish all along here. Going in the creek, there's the creek just down here. Tons of rubbish. Oh, it's awesome being on his bike. Oh, hello. Local council's out cutting the grass. You know, one day someone ought to invent one of these sweepers which is solar powered, eh? Right, I might nip up here and we'll go around to the lake and just have a bit of a look-see. Yesterday when we came up here, well, they're not running again. The water aerator's not running. got a lawnmower. I hope the sun's not too bright there. Just get around the corner here. Jeez, make a lot of dust. Whew. Wow, lots of dust. And look at all those birds, man. It's a bit noisy. There's a glass. There's another one. Yeah, look, up here in the tree. Cockies. Down here we've got ducks all coming over for a feed. Tons and tons of seagulls. A couple of ibis. Wow. Look at this fella. Coming nice and close, aren't you? Yeah, I'll just show you. Just up here, they've finally put in the sign down here as well, telling everyone not to feed the ducks. Just go down and have another look here. There's a lot of sirens today, although there is, like Australia, you're on bloody fire, man. Yeah, that's just like a CFA rescue. Anyway, there's our sign. Do not feed the ducks. Well, within reason. Alright, let's get back on the bike and go around further. Luckily there's not too many people here around this part. I can once again show you what I tried to do yesterday. Show you the actual kids area, barbecue area and so forth. Which way will I go? I'll go that way. So if you live in the Adelaide area, or particularly northern suburbs, it's really well worth your while. Come down here and someone's left a scooter over there. Oh, kids there. Oh. Yeah, I wasn't going to stop. There's just a few people there, kids. Actually, just over here we've got people doing exercise club. Okay, let's keep going. The creek's really dry here. Hopefully you can see all this pretty well. Yeah, very nice. Okay, hopefully no one's over on the gym equipment. I can film all that for you. Doesn't look like be. Oh, a bit puffed. Oh no, we've got people over there. I'm not going to go over there. Wow. Well, you can see it from here. I'll splice in the other video from yesterday and just show you all the equipment here. But you can see the trail goes all that way if you want to. There's another one down there, another one down here this way, and it also goes all the way around Fremont Park. It's quite a nice place. I think we're very lucky that, you know, we live in an area where, you know, we've got access to the outdoors. You know, pity those people who live in the cities and what have you. Even our major city, Adelaide. I mean, I know they've got the parklands, but wow, this is really good. Anyway, back along this trail. We're on the outside of the creek now. Young Brady spends a lot of time down in here cleaning it up. Wow, you can see here, look, paths off to your left, paths off to your front, and path going over that way. But it gets really dry down here, and there's dirt tracks up around here. It's really a nice day for a ride. Okay, I might go up this track here, head up towards the main road. Oop, run out of track. There's a track over there. Right then, I'll cut over there and we'll call it quits. And I'll make my way home. Alright, thanks for riding along. See you later.